In this video, I'll show you how to change the aspect ratio of your LG Smart TV. This way, if you're plugging a device with a different aspect ratio, let's say a VCR that is not 16:9, you'll be able to see it in its original form. So what you need to do is to take your remote control, and over here on the top right corner, you see there is the settings button. If you have one of those newer remote control, the settings button is right in the middle. It's a cog wheel, and you need to press on it to make this menu appear. Then you need to go down and select all settings. Press the middle button to select. And finally, over here under picture, one of the options should be aspect ratio. Select it, press the middle button. And here you have user selection. Press OK. And you'll be able to select one of these. 16:9, the way it is right now, original 4:3, vertical zoom, 4-way zoom. There's multiple ways and you'll have to test them out to see which one is the most appropriate for your needs. Once you're done, simply go back by pressing the back button a few times to exit these menus, and you'll be able to use your TV in the aspect ratio you have selected. Thanks for watching, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.